Bitch, that's fucking motherfucker! Yeah. Bitch, that's down there.
What it is, what it ain't gonna be, man. It's your boy AHMAD. Y'all already know. Look, man. So, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, I did do a first vlog. I didn't like it, so I didn't post it. So what's going on now? New vlog, new things going on today. Today, what we gonna be doing, kayaking. Say it with me, guys, kayaking. I've never been on a kayak, never, ever been on a kayak. But what I'm telling y'all, first time, we're doing it together, we're experiencing it. Family gonna be out there, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna get a lot of funny moments, a lot of lit moments. So, get ready. These niggas got me out here fucking paddle boat. I'm in the middle of the water, bro. Look at this shit. I'm in this little ass boat. Just me. Everybody over there. We just out here. This is crazy, bro. They really got me out here paddle boating in the middle of the water. Ain't no telling what's out here. Help me! Corey, say hello.
Gang, shit, my nigga.
My brother got me out here kayaking, bro. That's whole, bitch. Skitty.
What's Skitty?
Y'all say what's up to YouTube.
What's up?
Say hey YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Thick as a motherfucker on me. Out here kayaking. Why would you do that?
I gotta put this on bag.
They should call me Aquaman.
Look who came in last.
Oh, you told me to say it. You asking me.
Yeah, I had goldfish in there.
Welcome to the snack bar. Snack bar is full of family, full of fun, full of clips. That's what it is. Y'all better be ready. It's a lot more where this came from.
We outside doing white people stuff. Yo, you heard? I got the camera. I got the recording, y'all. Hey, y'all look. I got the camera recording. If y'all didn't know. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all gonna go to the beach or no? Y'all got on beach clothes? I'm gonna stop getting some
Aftermath. Fuck my foot all tight, so man. use this one. This one better. Hey.
Make sure my waves on point, bro. Make sure my waves on point.
I'm with the bitch, we at the Waffle House, yeah, we on Tennessee.
So, kayaking trip turned into a beach trip.
Sure did.
Niggas,
Sure did.
niggas enjoy themselves. We finna hit back on this road. We'll holler at y'all later.
Oh, shit.